everyone, Amanda here. I am just coming to share some of the Something Shabby kit, digital downloadable kit from Artie Mays. Her shop is on Etsy. I will leave a link in the description box below, both to just the shop link and also a direct link to where you can purchase this kit. It's a huge kit, it's massive. I'm going to show you some of it. Haven't even printed all of it out because it is so huge. It would take me the rest of the evening to print it all out. My printer's quite slow, so what I've done is I've printed out my favourite pages to come and share with you, and I'll go back and print the rest out later. There's lots and lots and lots of lovely images and tags and things like that in this kit. Lots and lots of background papers, which I really love because I like to mix and match mine in and amongst other things. So I find that if you get larger collections like this, then the background papers will come in useful for other maybe smaller kits, or so you can make up your own kind of themed journal and use the background kits for things. And they're also awesome for making your ephemera and your tags, and I think this is a lovely kit. Every time I print one of Andrea's kits, I say it's my favourite until she makes another one, and then that's my favourite. So here we go. So we've got, so the general theme is what I call shabby vintage. So it's shabby chic, it's vintage style, and you've got elements of France in there as well. So you've got French script and allusion to French kind of architecture and things like that. Okay, so this, I've printed mine out, all of mine at the moment on 120 GSM printer paper. It's presentation paper and it's called Navigation, and it's lovely and smooth, and it gives me nice crisp images for the kits, and the colours come out beautiful. So this is just a sheet of tags. So this is an A4 sheet, so these are large tags, so you could print them out and just use them as they are. I will back these on cardstock. Now you can continue and use this as a background, continue to decorate. I tend to leave them as they are and have them as something to tuck into pockets and things like that. I don't feel like the urge to need to do anything further there. I think Andrea's done all the hard work for us, and that's the beauty of these kits. Okay, and then here, this is a page of postcards. So you can see the soft kind of pastel shabby chic colours. You've got your vintage, you feel that, and your pale pinks, and it's just beautiful. I love it. And she's done it so it looks like it's layered up, like there's the image is layered up on layers of old style of pages, etc., to create those. And again, you've got consistency of the design running through. You've got those shutters and that balcony there, and you've got it again here. Okay, so it runs consistent through so that you can tell it all matches. So this one here, my lighting's a bit rubbish. It probably looks a bit bluey grey this evening because I've got the main light on, but this has got your dark vintage, your brown tones, and your pinks and your greens and your blues. It's absolutely beautiful. These you'd use for ephemera or to make smaller tags and things like that, or for layering up. And then this page here, you can see, I'm just going to turn it around. So you'd print these out, and this you can either stick them back to back, or you could have it as an open booklet. I might stick one back to back, so it's like a journaling card for writing on the back. You could stick it on 3 sides and stick something else inside. Lots and lots of things you could do with these. And then you've got these lovely little elements here that you can add on with wording on, or cheesecloth under, or make embellishments with. It's beautiful. And there's another one, and again we've got the French writing and the balcony there, and then at the bottom here we've got some faux stamps. Now this one here is a collage sheet. These are fantastic for using as a full page in a journal. There you go, that's your page done. Or you can cut it up and make your tags, rip it, use it in your embellishments, your snippets, everything. And she's also done it in 2 different colours. Okay, so she's done one that looks kind of like faded and washed out, so you could have that as a muted background, and then one where the colours are a bit more vibrant, so you can have that on the top layer maybe. Okay, so it's a very, very thoughtful kit because there's lots and lots and lots in it. to suit everybody. The colours are beautiful, I absolutely love it. And then this is one of the background papers, which is this beautiful floral, and there's a whole collection of papers, that background papers, that I haven't printed out, and some she's done in these kind of more prominent colours, and some she's done in what she calls tone on tone, which are a more subtle kind of background colour for you to have as a background. Beautiful for layering and things like that. So that's that one. This is one of the main pages, absolutely stunning, with the flowers and the script. So again, that's like a repetitive pattern, like a collage or a background. I'd just have that as a page, me, in a journal. I would have that as a, absolutely, that's a page, for me that's a page done. It's beautiful, and then I'd just add maybe a snippet to the side or a tuck or something, but that is a page done. Maybe put it back through the printer and put coffee stained on the back, and that's how I'd use it. And this is another one of the main pages, and again we've got this architecture and then the script and the beautiful roses, so it's all consistently themed. It's beautiful. Really, really pretty, very well put together. How she's created these with the, obviously what you do when you create in digitals, you're getting different images and you're superimposing them on each other. And sometimes I've seen some collections where they're very beautiful but things don't quite look right, and Andrea's always do blend and marry in with each other perfectly. They don't just look like she's stuck things together, they look like that's how they're meant to be, and that takes a good eye, does that, a good artistic eye, which is what Andrea has, and her digital images are beautiful. And here's another one. So this is another example. So she's used whatever software she uses to create this. It's absolutely seamless. Nothing looks like it's been plonked. The colours go together beautifully. You know, we've got a splatter on there, but it doesn't stand out and look like it doesn't belong. It's just perfect. Absolutely beautiful. And we've got like script and postcard, and then on the top there we've got what looks like peeling or crackling paint. Doilies and roses. It's just beautiful, really, really beautiful. And then this one here, another one, it looks like lots of letters all on top of each other. We've got some keys and we've got that lovely shutter door there on the balcony. Very, very romantic and dreamy and very, very shabby. Beautiful. And there's another one, and we've got some more hints of blue. There's quite a lot of very pale, subtle blues in this kit, which really, really, I really do like the blues in the shabby chic style kits. My lighting's rubbish. The colours are probably not coming through as beautiful as they are in real life. I have printed, I'm sure I printed some more out. I have printed lots more than this out. I don't think my printer's quite finished. There are lots more tags and pockets I've printed out. Ones with tickets and banners and all sorts of things. I think my printer's stuck. Oh, it's run out of paper. That's why it hasn't printed the rest. So, but yeah, it is a very, very beautiful kit. It is the new kit from Artimaze. I'm a little bit off track. I think it's been out over a week now, but because I've been a little bit absent, I've only just gotten it and printed it out. So keep your eyes open on my channel. I will be making a few things with this kit, and go and check out Artimaze on Etsy. I'll leave the links in the description box below. If you love shabby chic or vintage, this kit is perfect for you. It's beautiful. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.